In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a background in Luminar Neo, and we'll do this in just 5 minutes. If you've ever taken a photo that you absolutely love, but the background leaves a lot to be desired, then you're in the right place. Together, we'll walk through the surprisingly simple process of removing that unwanted background and setting the stage for a cleaner, more professional-looking image. First things first, let's go ahead and launch Luminar Neo directly from your desktop. If you're a regular user, this should be a familiar step. But if you're new, simply locate the icon on your computer and give it a click. Once Luminar Neo is open, you'll land on the main interface where all the magic happens. Now, let's select the image you want to work with. Navigate over to the Catalog tab, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. From here, you can either choose an image already listed in your library, or if the photo is tucked away somewhere else on your computer, no worries. You can easily add it by clicking on Add Photos and then browsing through your files to locate your picture. Just a quick click and your image will be loaded and ready to edit. With your image selected, it's time to move into the Edit tab, which will take you into the heart of Luminar Neo's powerful editing toolkit. Once you're in the Edit tab, direct your attention to the top of the tool panel where you'll see Layer Properties. Click on it to open up a range of options for modifying various aspects of your image composition. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Look for the option that says Masking within the Layer Properties panel. Here, we're going to leverage Luminar Neo's Background Removal AI. This feature is truly a game changer. Once you select it, the sophisticated AI embedded within Luminar Neo begins analyzing your image, understanding the complexity and intricacies of the foreground versus the background. Give it just a moment to do its thing, and it will automatically create a mask around the key subject of your image. With the mask in place, you'll see a Remove button appear. Prepare yourself, as this is the point where your image's transformation takes place. Go ahead and click that button, and just like that, the background as you knew it will vanish, leaving you with a clean, isolated subject. And there you have it. A simple, efficient way to delete the background of any image using Luminar Neo within just a few minutes. This method not only saves you time, but enhances the professional look of your photographs. Feel free to experiment with different images and see how powerful and intuitive Luminar Neo can be. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!